Most people get this wrong. They think building a professional photography website requires coding skills or expensive software. The surprising truth is, with Wix, you can have a stunning, fully functional portfolio live in just a few hours. Today, they'll show you exactly how to do it. First, go to Wix.com and sign up for an account. The platform offers two main options: Wixaddy, which builds a site automatically based on your answers to a few questions, and the Wix Editor, which gives you full control. For photographers who want customization, the Wix Editor is usually the better choice. Next, choose a template. Wix has dozens specifically designed for photography portfolios. Look for templates with full-width image galleries, smooth scrolling, and clean layouts. Templates like Photography Portfolio or Wedding Photographer come preloaded with gallery sections, contact forms, and even pricing tables. Once you've selected a template, start customizing. Replace stock images with your own high-resolution photos. You can organize galleries by category: portraits, landscapes, events, making it easy for visitors to navigate. Don't forget to add alt text to your images for SEO and accessibility. Then, add essential pages: about, services, portfolio, blog, and contact. The About page should tell your story in a personal way, and the contact page should have a form, email link, and social media buttons. If you want clients to book sessions directly, integrate Wix Bookings, which lets visitors schedule appointments online. Finally, optimize your site for mobile. Wix automatically creates a mobile version, but it's important to check each page and adjust image sizes and layouts. Fast loading times are crucial, so compress images without losing quality. Once everything looks good, connect your custom domain and hit publish. You now have a professional photography website ready to showcase your work and attract clients. In conclusion, Wix makes creating a beautiful, functional photography website easy even if you have zero coding experience. Follow these steps and you'll have a portfolio that not only looks professional, but also works as a client magnet. Subscribe for more tutorials and tips on building websites that grow your photography business.